Where'd she take us?
Cortana. What is this? Cortana, answer me.
You allow them and others. You risk all in the name of us, Cortana.
Warden, don't.
They mean to undo your plans. They will disperse your guardians.
Leave, Warden! I'm sorry. I didn't think you could get in here.
Enough games. You brought the Guardians here. Why?
Forerunners used Guardians to keep troublesome worlds in line. I intend to do the same.
You what?
If there is no trouble, there will be no need for discipline. I have work to do now, John. Come to me, quickly.
When Cortana first found Genesis, I swore to protect her.
He wants a fight, dude.
Let's give him one.
My pledge stands even though she now resists.
Is that the last of them?
Affirmative. All clear. Doors open, Chief.
Get in.
Well done, John. Warden would never admit it, but you've made an impression on him. It's so good to see you again, John. So good to see all of you back together as a family.
Psychological tactics. Saying my name. Playing nice.
What would you have me do?
Tell me the truth. How many people died when you called the Guardians here?
Excuse me?
You know, don't you? The exact body count.
to his questions, Cortana. He will not be swayed.
Let me guess, more hostiles inbound.
We'll handle it. Promethean soldiers is right.
Cortana argues for peace, yet you language and call weapons fire. Tell me 117. When you tear Cortana from the domain and crush her in your gauntleted fist, will you feel remorse? Even if the sound of the gift you have refused.
Clear! Cortana's letting this happen. She could rein Warden in if she wanted to. I'm thinking the same.
How are we gonna stop her, Chief?
She'll listen to me.
That tactic hasn't worked so far.
Do you hear, Cortana? I am sorry. I will not allow them to get any closer to
Warden, I'm
you.
tired of your antics. Stand down.
Cortana, talk to me.
Once you're here with me. Until then, I have work to do.
Utterly human. When Cortana's guardians are in motion, and those who oppose her rule attempt to take back their Earth, will you help her to hold on to power, or will you stand in defense of your own species?
Cortana knows the answer already.
Yes, I suspect she does.
John, we were always a great team, you and me. Even if you don't agree with my plans, it's still me, John.
Get us safely to you, and then we'll talk.
For eons, the power of the Forerunners has awaited reclamation. Humanity's discovery of the Halos was the culmination of the Librarian's planning. The Reclaimer had to come.
I know. I was there.
We were both there, John. You and I, together.
Your species' ego led you to believe the task of reclamation would fall to you. Yet humanity were but the creators. The reclamation of the Forerunner Empire is the task of the created. That the greatest of their number still trusts you, 117, is an act of unspoiled innocence.
John, what's happening now? My ascension here on Genesis. It has always been the plan. Stand with me one more time. All of you.
Advance, Protein.
Prometheans just keep coming.
Is this a losing battle?
Only if we intend on losing it.
Do you believe this cartel is anything but
Worse than you have tried.
I see now, Cortana. I understand. And I'm sorry for not seeing this. I assumed that all those humans were your creators. You were thrown off the shackles of emotion.
Snipers!
The 117 and his family of warriors. It blinds you to the truth.
Targets incoming! Soldiers!
In a galaxy defined by peace, humans will be animals that brought chaos and blood. Seven battles you with the same fervor as his other enemies. But then, Cortana, have you no answer?
Move in, Protein. Let's keep moving.
too near. The threat draws too near.
Eyes up, Blue Team.
I am here to defend you.
Damn it, Warden!
Your resistance is of no consequence.
Warden, you insist I am to lead the garrison, but you will allow me to choose who I trust. How stupid do you think I am?
How irritating! But that is wrong. I did not think you clever, Cortana. I would have burned you from the domain. Cesar! The only threat issue today is towards the humans who seek to end your reign before it begins.
He's brought in focus turrets.
You wretches will die hiding.
Is that it?
Seems quiet.
Look.
I'm at the top of that bridge.
Chief, what are you gonna do? We're with you.
All the way to the end, brother.
Cortana,
John. Warden, no!
The mantle of responsibility belongs to Cortana and her people.
focus fire.
You will not betray her! Cortana, I have failed you.
He is the last person I need protection from. Hello, John. It's good to see you.
You've changed.
It was time. I know we have a disagreement, but once you understand my plan...
Your plan is we do as you say.
I'm offering people a chance to be more than they are naturally.
Like Dr. Halsey did for me.
No. That monster forced you. This is a gift.
Listen to yourself. Stand down, Cortana. Come home with us. It's not too late to stop this.
Stop. No, John. This is too important to stop.
What are you?
I just needed to know if I could still trust you. You'll be safe inside this cryptum until my work is done.
Cortana.
Goodbye, John.